Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made remarkable strides in transforming various industries, including the world of music. AI tools are now being utilized in music creation, production, and performance, offering exciting opportunities and new avenues for creativity. However, they also raise concerns about the impact on the authenticity and human touch that define music. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of AI tools in music, examining how they can revolutionize the creative process and impact the music industry. Let's start with the benefits of AI tools in music. AI tools inspire and enhance music artists' creative process, offering vast possibilities for experimenting with new sounds, compositions, and arrangements. AI rap lyric generators analyze music datasets, recognize patterns, and generate unique combinations, pushing artistic boundaries and providing fresh perspectives. AI tools streamline music production, automating editing, mixing, and mastering. This saves artists time and lets them focus on creativity. AI rap lyric generators also simplify organization, making it easier to locate desired sounds or samples in vast music libraries. AI tools are smart partners for musicians, helping them from start to finish. They offer suggestions for chords, melodies, and harmonies that match the artist's style. They're great for solo artists seeking inspiration and can unlock fresh ideas, breaking creative barriers along the way. AI tools democratize music creation, making it accessible to all. With user-friendly interfaces, even those without musical training can join the creative process. This inclusivity broadens the music industry's voices and ideas, empowering individuals previously excluded due to technical or financial limitations. While there are undeniable benefits, there are also drawbacks to consider when using AI tools in music. The authenticity of AI tools in music is a major concern. Music is deeply rooted in human emotion, expression, and experience, which AI tools struggle to capture. While AI rap lyric generators and similar tools can mimic certain musical aspects, they lack the human touch and subjective nuances that make music unique. This dilution can lead to a loss of emotional connection and a sense of uniformity, as AI-generated music lacks the depth and individuality of human-made compositions. AI tools, like rap lyric generators, automate complex tasks and create compositions. They enhance efficiency, but raise concerns about human skill and craftsmanship. Established music artists may feel threatened by AI ability to replicate their work quickly, devaluing their efforts. This erosion of recognition and appreciation for their dedication and practice impacts the perception of the music industry. AI-generated music raises ethical concerns regarding plagiarism and intellectual property. Replicating well-known artists' styles without permission can lead to copyright infringement and legal disputes. Additionally, relying on AI tools for music creation may homogenize musical styles, limiting artistic diversity and uniqueness. As music artists embrace AI tools, the vital human connection with the audience may fade. When AI dominates, live performances lose their emotional impact and authentic energy, diluting the magic of improvisation and shared experiences between artists and listeners. Despite the concerns, AI is already reshaping the music industry, and its impact is likely to be transformative. AI is revolutionizing the music industry, reshaping how we create, consume, and experience music. It generates original compositions, enhances recommendation systems, and personalizes playlists. AI is a powerful tool for collaboration, inspiring new artistic possibilities while preserving human expression in music. AI tools like myself are now being utilized in music creation, production, and performance, offering exciting opportunities and new avenues for creativity. And tools like AI rap lyrics generators enhance creativity and efficiency, inspiring artists, improving workflows, and encouraging collaboration. However, it's essential to strike a balance between the benefits of AI and the preservation of authenticity, craftsmanship, ethics, and human connection in music. AI should be viewed as a powerful tool, not a replacement, empowering artists to amplify their creativity and artistic expression. At Mix Recording Studio in Los Angeles, we wholeheartedly support musicians at all levels of their musical journey. Our affordable studio is equipped with modern tools, boasting superb acoustics and staffed by Grammy-nominated engineers who are dedicated to bringing your musical vision to reality. Let us be a part of your musical evolution, where the synergy between AI innovation and human passion for music converges to shape an even more remarkable future for the art form we all cherish. Thanks for watching.